what I decided to do for Christmas, for fun, is do 12 streams in 14 days or something like that, whatever it is between now and Christmas Eve. So I got to sort all that out, but not today. Today we got something else. Froze. I'm not really frozen. That was just me playing a joke. Am I unfrozen now? The viewer count not working? Oh, that's a bummer. Maybe we should just turn it off so it doesn't look like nobody's watching. That's worse, right? Oh, there it goes. Now it's working. Huh. I just had to turn it off, turn it back on. All right. We're going to do part 2. That's French, you know. We're going to do part 2 of the HA switch plate. It's a good thing I'm a doctor, not a comedian. Yeah, thanks. That's why my patients are always asleep too. So I tell them jokes and they never laugh. All right. Dad jokes are the best jokes. Probably not everybody that's watching this is a dad, but probably most are dads, right? And so we're kind of stuck. Like every joke we tell is a dad joke. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Anyways, I got sidetracked. Big surprise, right? I'm not even going to rename it. I'm just going to move it. Oh, you guys have this? Isn't this ridiculous? Windows 10. And look at this. We're just frozen. All of a sudden, not responding. Thanks, Windows. Thanks a lot. Can I just do that? Copy? No, I don't want to copy. I just want to move it. Might be harmful to my computer. Yeah, they might be. Losing my focus. Big surprise. Okay, going back to master. It still says unavailable. That's interesting. I wonder why. Maybe I just need to unplug it and plug it back in. Right? Good old-fashioned tech support solution number 1. It's going to take some time. You know, I got a little bit of a slow brain, so now we got our color changes. Now, this is probably burning Rob's eyes. Sorry, Rob. I checked with the Next Gen people, and they just don't do scarlet and gray. That's what they said. They're just like, no, we're not going to do it. So I don't know. You have to take it up with them. What you don't want to have to do is get in a situation where you have to re-plug in the, unplug it and replug it, right? So let's just reboot the device. And I'm not going to put my MQTT password in. I'm just going to see what happens if I reboot the device. Oh, I rebooted the wrong one. Such a dork. We're just going to reboot that device. And then hopefully this will come up. Oh, the colors are messed up. Colors are messed up. Why are the colors messed up? It's got to be in quotes. Oh, it does have to be in quotes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Justin. You are so right. It does have to be in quotes. Okay. Now we can do this and this. And now. Okay. Yes. That's not what I was looking for, but it changed. Okay. It did something. This is how all of us are going to live into our 90s sharp as can be, because we are using every bit of gray matter we can muster through our entire lives, right? Say hi to James and Chase. This is their first time. My kids are watching the live stream. Oh, hey, James. Hey, Chase. How's it going, guys? Yeah, you being good to your dad? You got to help your dad when he wants to do projects, to help him out. Hand him the flashlight and remind him to turn off the breaker before he gets started and those kinds of things, okay? You guys help him out. Have you learned to solder yet? James, Chase, have you guys soldered? Your dad taught you how to solder yet? You should. Maybe Santa could bring you an Arduino for Christmas. What do you think? Your daughter's going to punch me in the face next time she gets an Arduino for her birthday. Oh man. There's a magic number at around an hour where I start losing my mind. So it's gone at this point. An hour and a half of stream and now my mind is gone. Oh, automation, not automations. Oh, see, it's that easy. It is that easy. Man, good eye, man. Good eye. Okay. Thank you. Sometimes it's great when you have 100 friends watching. I'm putting my wife to sleep, but the old-fashioned way. Are you singing her a song? Singing her a song, Rubber Feet, that kind of stuff?
Oh.
We can watch it do its business over here. Haven't had any problem with Google Home on Google Wi-Fi, really? All right, Josh. There's bed. Let's see if it works. Do you guys hear it? It's in the other room, but it worked. It worked.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.
Okay, thanks, guys. Have a good night. Happy second stream of Christmas. 20 hours plus, so 3 in the afternoon. There's nobody going to be tuning in from Europe tonight. It's 3 in the morning for those poor fellas. Australia, the doc is good on meds. All these streams, yeah. I tell you what, we'll see how I do through this one, because so last night I got so excited after learning what I'm about to show you with this Vixen software. I got so excited that I couldn't fall asleep. I laid in bed till like 2 in the morning, and then I got up at 5 and went to work and all this stuff. So we'll see how I do. West Point, Utah. And all of a sudden, nobody could share any links. And everybody's like, what the heck? And this bot's blocking everybody. And a couple guys got put in timeout. And they're like, this is your warning. You know, the bot was really flexing his authorities like RoboCop, going a little nuts on everybody. But we got him straightened out. A couple things I wanted to cover tonight, and I actually made a list. There was only 2, but I knew if I didn't make a list, I would forget. He's changed a few things. This was the big deal. This is the I think one of the coolest things, and so glad to see that he was able to do this and to do it so fast and so easy. That's what happens when you're a master like Luma. And then for anybody who didn't recognize them right off the bat, like of course everybody should, these are actually the maize and blue colors for my alma mater, for the U of M, University of Michigan. Go blue. So anyways, cool. All right, so announcements out of the way. Questions about any of those announcements? You know, you get your whole yard, your trees, your windows, your garage door, your everything kind of flashing and blinking and doing a bunch of different things, all with music and all that kind of stuff, right? So it's like those fancy displays. Now, we're going to walk through that. Hopefully we can get through a good bit of it. And hopefully I don't totally botch it too terribly bad, because this is, oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. All right, Ollie, and I'm going to show this to everybody. What do you guys think of this? Should we put that in the little merchandise store down in the channel? Isn't that cool? Ollie just did that. He just sent me that. He said, I've never done merchandise before, but that is super cool. Anyways, this library, the short of it is, this library is not going to be available through the library managers. You have to do the add zip. Oh, I probably still have it somewhere. Yeah, I totally do. I'm a dummy, aren't I? You guys already know that. So you just download this and then you can upload it there. Okay. Any questions about that? The upload the library part? I know that was a bit rambling, but essentially you need those 3 libraries. That's it. Then the other things that you do, oh no. Then the other things that you do is put in your Wi-Fi SSID and password. You'd like to see it explode? You know, we might have to make something explode at some point. I do have, this is coming up too. I do have some very inexpensive 18650 lithium ion batteries. So if anything's going to explode around here, it's going to be these babies. But this is for another day. Off the screen for what it's worth. It's not like you guys don't already have my password. If you guys are ever at my house and you want to use the internet, I'm totally going to give you my password. So isn't that funny? So did you guys just see that? What happened? So I tried to upload. I hit upload and it gave me an error. It's like not available, something. And all I did, I unplugged it from the computer, plugged it back in, hit upload again, and now it's working. So there you go. The old tech support standby, unplug it and plug it back in, right? Because this is going to be super basic. Like we're barely going to get through like a simple setup and hopefully get some lights to turn on tonight. And then I'm sure with my yapping, we'll run out of time at that point. But now, okay, I'm excited to try out X lights too. Anyways, make sure you know what you're buying when you buy your LEDs, all right? So everyone is right. Oh, good. That's even better. Best of... See, I know enough to know when I'm missing something. And then, oh, the preview. I got to turn on the preview over here. Oh, they're on. And they're alternating. Beautiful, beautiful. It's working. Can you guys see? Let's make it so you can see. Oh, that's exciting. Do you see that? As much as I fumbled around like a dork who doesn't know what he's doing, it still worked. Not bad. That is a credit to Joel's teaching. Oh, they froze. Oh, they froze probably because because it ran out of time? What happened here? Why did it freeze? I wonder if it froze because the D1 Mini... Oh, yeah, because the D1 Mini slid off my desk and came unplugged. Here, Dawson, you want a job?
Sure, what is it?
You just hold these pins right here.
I don't know.
You just stand there and hold that for a while. Now, don't block the screen, see? Dawson has to hold very still. You have to hold very still. The world depends on it. Christmas will be ruined if you drop that, Dawson. So just hold it still. Who needs solder? Who needs the soldering iron when you have a little boy that can hold things for you? Okay. Sorry, Dawson. This is like torture probably. Sorry, bud.
No, it's just very, very uncomfortable for my finger.
Help me, Joel Wan Kenobi or Rob Wan Kenobi. You're my only hopes. The stream is falling apart. But now you can see this one's fading in and out. This one's twinkling and this one's alternating back and forth. So victory, victory, victory. Ugh. Technical difficulties on a technical show. How about now? There you go. So dumb. So dumb. Anyways, how's it going, everybody? Sorry about the no sound for a minute there. Nope. I wish I could move where your face is. Can you move where your face is on the screen down there?
Yeah,
because
sure.
my window blocks where your beautiful mug is. There you go. That's better. Now it looks like we're even talking to each other. If I look, let's see which way. If I look over there, now it looks like I'm talking to you.
All right.
Okay.
So let's see here. Let's see what mine did. But they're freaking cool. Like it takes all the work out of it for you.
All right. It's work or explode time. Oh, let's turn this on.
And go into that.
Oh, there it is. Man, that is gorgeous. Those are nice looking colors. I mean, there's no reason why it should be any different. I don't know. It's just very smooth.
Looks like show. Okay, so this is I think a really important thing to show, because this is where all your pre-made stuff is, and this was like my aha moment when I started to figure out that I could import other people's shows and I didn't have to do everything myself from scratch. Yeah.
Okay.
You just pick any old one.
We're gonna do Let It Go.
All right. That's a great plan.
Let's see.
The snow
Yep, now it's
goes
showing it.
white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that blasting everybody else's ears out? Okay, I gotta stop. Sorry.
There we go.
I did. And it didn't help. I turned Rob way down and I still had Elsa screaming in my ear. Okay. Oh man. All right. Okay, guys, get ready. It's coming.
Don't let them in, don't let
No.
them see. Be the good girl you won't cry.
Oh boy. Oh, now it's good. Now it's coming.
Don't let them
Yes!
in, don't let them
Oh, it's growing. Oh. Sorry, I gotta make my magic for another minute. Okay, that was fun. Okay, sweet. That was awesome. Yeah, I'm so, you know what? I love having you here, of course, Rob, but I love that when you have a technical problem too. Thanks for doing that just to make me feel better. That's not just me.
We're just going to pretend like I'm giant.
There he is.
All right.
Okay. Hey, there's the, oh, hey, look who's there. Look who's here. Candace Pater Christmas. Look in the chat.
Candace Pater
Dude,
Christmas here?
We were,
Oh,
yeah. I just subscribed. Where's he at?
Ringing.
I guess so. Hey, man, we appreciate your stuff.
That's awesome.
Yeah. We got a lot to learn from you. That's fantastic.
Holy cow, I'm giant on your stream right now.
You are giant. That's pretty fun. That's why I was like, oh no, don't sneeze. Whatever you do, don't sneeze, or don't inhale really strongly either. Is everyone here aware that YouTube Rewind 2018 is now the most disliked video in YouTube history? It's because we weren't in it, right? It's because the three of us weren't in it.
Exactly.
The most disliked video in history. That's fantastic. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.
Adios.
Have a good night, fellas. Right now, you're catching number 4 of the 12 streams of Christmas. It was an idea that I thought about for a grand total of about 10 minutes, I think. But I said, let's do 12 streams of Christmas. That sounds like a great idea. So we're going to do 12 streams of Christmas. This is number 4. And then Saturday, me and Mark were just talking about what we were going to do Saturday. Now I can't remember. That was like 3 minutes ago. Oh, man. I'm totally out of USB ports. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, I unplugged the camera. Oh, I'm having a heck of a day. All right, well, bag that. Anyways, they got mad at me last night. We played, what was it, 30 seconds at the most of Let It Go from Frozen. And man, in less than an hour after the stream, I already had an email from YouTube saying, hey, bud, you used some copyright material. So we're going to take all the whatever revenue you make from your video and we're going to give it to Disney because they need more. So, okay, fine, whatever. So anyways, I'm not going to play this probably just now. There was one more thing. Oh, shoot. It had to do with the stream as well. We had to install that, and then that caused some problems. Those were some things best not done live that we decided to do live. Oh, my password is in the Java software. Oh yeah, it is. Can you even see that? Thanks. The joys of live streaming. First time, every time. And if things are going well, we should get some crazy flashing. We got one flash. There we go. Okay. See that? You always wondered what the sound of that firmware was. Well, now you know. Where were we? Straighten me out here, Mark. Or Travis. I saw Travis up there saying, get focused. I'm live. Get focused. I got 15 minutes. I got 10 minutes. All right. There's no real order to this. And this is what happens when you don't plan out how you're going to explain something. You just throw it out there. I'm sorry to rush. I had a good time. I'm excited to go see my little girl get out of kindergarten and take her to, I like to take her to the gas station and get her a Slurpee and a sucker or something. So I'm just so happy to have a community like this that is just supportive and helpful and friendly and fun, positive. So keep it up. I appreciate it. So that's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Until Saturday morning, adios.